memories with this car right here, and he's here today battling the infamous 2JZ Swap BMW. We're gonna have the BMW go first, out of respect. BMW ready? Are you guys ready for the exhaust battle? Welcome to the 2015 Strong Island Street Wheels Custom Exhaust Battle, import versus domestic. Let's go! Mustang, are you ready? Go! That's a pretty good, wow, that was pretty close, man. For the Mustang, make some noise! For the Beamer, make some noise! That's funny. I don't know. For the Mustang, make some noise! Beamer! Mustang wins that round. It's all because of Trini. He beat me to heart, he don't like you. Alright, he won the first round. You're going up for the second round. You're gonna go second.